What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Pew back today, and today we're doing something a little bit different. No reviews, no unboxings. Technically, we're going to be unboxing some things, but not the way you think. We're going to unbox a couple of things I got from Amazon on Amazon Prime Day just to give y'all a sneak peek on what's coming up. And I want to talk to y'all about the giveaway. Let's go ahead and start with that, matter of fact. So I went to go pick the winner for the $50 Amazon gift card, and I could only see like 38, 39 subscribers. So evidently there is a setting on YouTube for you and your privacy settings that if you have it set, I can't see you as a subscriber. Now, I could have just went ahead and picked one of the ones I could see and say, oh, this is the random giveaway for random person that won. But I wanted to make sure everybody had the opportunity. So instead of me going ahead and picking it today and announcing it right here, right now, I'm going to get everybody this week to go through there and get on their settings and figure privacy settings out. Matter of fact, I'm going to walk you through that real quick right now. All right, guys, make sure you're on your main page. Go to your top right-hand icon. Go down to settings. You're simply going to go to the left, go to privacies and playlist and subscriptions. Make sure it says keep all subscriptions private. You want to uncheck that. I already had it checked. I just checked it to show y'all. Uncheck it again. Your subscribers won't be visible to others if you have it on. And that's it, guys. Go back to my main channel and check out some of my videos. So next week, when I do my video, drop my video, whatever video I decide to do, I'm going to announce the winner in there. Y'all get in contact with them. You'll just know who won if I get in contact with you or not. Now, let's get to what I purchased from Amazon. These items I purchased from Amazon were on Prime Day themselves. Let's get into the first box. Let's jump into it. First box is the brand new Fire HD 10.1 screen tablet. My wife actually wanted a 10-inch screen tablet for various reasons, and I decided, well, it was on sale for Prime Day. It was like half off. It was the brand new one it just came out with, so I went and bought it. So here's a little bit of a boom close-up on it. And you can download all kind of different apps and stuff on here, as you can see in the front of it where my hand was covering. But this is one of the things we're going to be doing a review on. Tell me y'all know what that is. If you don't know what that is the Luna controller for the subscription-based Amazon gaming that they have in beta right now that I was actually selected to try. I had to apply for it, of course. It's not like they came out and said, hey, Mr. Pugh, you got 1 million subscribers. We'd love for you to try. No, I quite really applied for this. And they said, yeah, sure, you can do it. It's already been out for 6 months anyways. It hasn't come out full yet, so I had to buy the controller itself. There's a reason for that. But I will be doing a review on the subscription-based Luna gaming subscription through Amazon, which is like $5.99 a month or something like that. I'm gonna test it out, see how it works. The other thing I'm gonna show y'all, I got one more box to show y'all, but the other thing I have coming out is about a Razer controller. It's the Tournament Edition controller. It's not here yet. It says it's on back order, of course, so it won't be here till like July 2nd. But let's get in the last thing. I think I've grabbed the dullest knife in the world. It's a box within a box. It's the new Shark IQ robot. That's right, guys. I went ahead and bought this. This thing was $319. Original price though is $599. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. But all that being said, guys, that's really it. Quick video. Remember, if you have your privacy settings on, make sure you go on the YouTube, the settings. I've already showed you at the beginning of the video how to do. Make sure that's turned off so I can see your subscriber count. Next weekend, I'm gonna make sure I pick that subscriber. Anyways, with all that being said, guys, be safe. Until next time, later.